7 must-try and life-changing hacks for an amazing day. Boost your energy, focus and happiness today. Ever feel like your day just flies by, and at the end of it, you're left wondering, what did I even accomplish? If so, you're not alone. We all want to feel productive, energetic, and in control of our time. But let's be honest, most days don't feel that way. The good news: making small changes in your daily routine can make a huge difference. Over the years, I've discovered a few simple but powerful life hacks that help me stay balanced and stress-free, without feeling like I'm drowning in to-do lists. And today, I want to share them with you. So watch this video till the end to know about these and transform your life. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, please subscribe today. I also request you to share your feedback in the comments. Your feedback helps me in making my videos better. So, are you ready to take control of your day? Let's dive in. Hack 1. Start your day with intention, not your phone. Okay, be honest, what's the first thing you do when you wake up? If your answer is check my phone, you're not alone. Most of us instinctively reach for our phones the moment we open our eyes, only to get lost in emails, social media, and news. But here's the problem: starting your day like this instantly puts you in a reactive state. Instead of focusing on what you want to accomplish, your brain is already hijacked by external distractions. To start your day, take a deep breath and set your intention for the day. What's one thing you want to focus on? Productivity, gratitude, or patience? Next, write down a simple goal for the day. For example, it could be a work-related goal like finishing a project or a personal goal like calling a loved one. Do something calming before touching your phone. Stretch or make your bed. Drink a glass of water. Anything that allows you to start the day on your terms. Trust me, this one change can set the tone for an entire day of clarity and focus. Oprah Winfrey starts her mornings with meditation and gratitude journaling. Tim Cook, Apple CEO, wakes up at 3:45 a.m. He exercises and reads to start the day with clarity. Hack 2. The Eat That Frog method. Conquer your hardest task first. Let's talk about procrastination. We all have that one task we keep avoiding. Whether it's an important work project, a tough email, or even a personal chore like fixing a leaky pipe. The problem? The longer we avoid it, the more it weighs on us, draining our mental energy. That's where the Eat That Frog method comes in. It's simple. Identify your biggest, hardest, or most important task of the day. Do it first thing in the morning, when your energy is at its peak. Once it's done, the rest of your day will feel so much easier. Imagine how good it feels to check off the hardest task before noon. The rest of your to-do list will feel like a breeze. Mark Twain famously said, "Eat a live frog first thing in the morning, and nothing worse will happen to you the rest of the day." Hack 3. Boost your productivity with the 50-10 rule. Ever find yourself working for hours without a break, only to feel completely drained by midday? That's because our brains aren't designed to focus for long, uninterrupted periods. Instead, try the 50-10 rule. Work for 50 minutes with deep focus. Then, take a 10-minute break. Stand up, stretch, grab water, listen to music, or just breathe. This technique keeps you productive without burning out. And if 50 minutes feels too long, you can try the Pomodoro technique. Pomodoro technique is a popular variation of this method. It was developed by Francesco Cirillo. It recommends 25 minutes of deep work followed by 5 minutes of a break. A longer 15-20 minutes break is recommended after 4 cycles. The idea is effective and simple. Short and focused sprints instead of long and exhausting work sessions. You'll get more done in less time while keeping your mind fresh and alert. Bill Gates schedules his time in intense, focused blocks without distractions. Hack 4. Use habit stacking to build good routines. Ever struggle to build new habits? The problem isn't motivation, it's consistency. That's why habit stacking is such a game changer. James Clear, the author of Atomic Habits, popularized this technique as one of the easiest ways to create lasting change. Here's how it works. Attach a new habit to something you already do. For example, after brushing your teeth, drink a glass of water. Or do 10 push-ups before having your first cup of coffee. You can also read 5 pages of your favorite book before having a healthy breakfast. By linking new habits to existing ones, they become automatic, without extra effort. Over time, these small habits will stack up to create massive positive change. Stephen Covey, the author of The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, also recommends stacking small habits for big results. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, please subscribe. Subscribed viewer get regular updates on new videos. Hack 5. Declutter your space, declutter your mind. Ever notice how a messy desk makes it harder to focus? That's because clutter creates mental chaos. Marie Kondo built an entire philosophy around decluttering to create peace and balance in life. Think about it. When your workspace is disorganized, your brain has to process all that extra visual information, making it harder to concentrate. Try this simple fix. Spend 5 minutes each morning decluttering your desk. Close unnecessary browser tabs. Digital clutter counts too. Keep only the essentials in your workspace. A clean space equals a clear mind. Try it, and you'll feel instantly lighter and more focused. Steve Jobs was known for keeping a minimalistic workspace, believing that fewer distractions led to clearer thinking. Hack 6. Follow the 3-item rule to avoid getting overwhelmed. Ever made a long to-do list, only to feel completely overwhelmed later? That's because too many tasks lead to decision fatigue. Instead, you can try the 3-item rule. Each morning, choose 3 key tasks that, if completed, would make your day feel successful. Prioritize these tasks before anything else. If you finish early, great, everything else is a bonus. But even if you only complete those 3, you'll end the day feeling accomplished. Less overwhelm, more focus. Win-win. Warren Buffett follows a 5-25 rule. He writes down 25 goals but focuses only on the top 5, ignoring the rest. Hack 7. Unplug and recharge. Your brain also needs a break. In today's world, we're always plugged in: emails, meetings, social media, Netflix. But just like our phones, our minds need time to recharge too. A few simple ways to unplug daily. Take a 15-minute walk without your phone. Eat meals without screens. Spend the last 30 minutes before bed reading or meditating. Giving your brain space to breathe improves focus, creativity, and overall well-being. Try it, you'll feel the difference. Arianna Huffington, co-founder of the Huffington Post, is a big advocate for digital detox. She encourages people to unplug for better mental health. I am sure that you will be amazed by the results if you incorporate these life hacks into your life. Even if you implement only a few of these hacks, you can expect the following benefits in 2-3 weeks. Less stress. Your days will feel smoother and more in control. More productivity. You'll get done more in less time. Better mental clarity. A clean space and structured day equals a clear mind. Increased energy. Small breaks and unplugging help recharge your brain. More time for yourself. By working smarter, you free up time for the things that truly matter. Having an amazing day is not about cramming in more tasks in your schedule. It is about being intentional with your time and energy. So, which hack are you going to try first? Comment below and share your favorite hack from these. I'd love to hear how amazing your day was after trying these hacks. Thank you for watching the full video. Did you find it interesting? If so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I regularly post videos of self-improvement, ideas, legends and everyday innovations that have changed the world.